Hello everyone, my name is Amanul Ansari. I am from Sitapur, UP. My highest qualification is Btech in Electronics and Communication in 2019 from Feroze Gandhi Institute of Engineering and Technology, Raebareli. And I am very crazy to start my career in IT, and I have given lot of interviews but not selected. So one of my friends suggested me to join Evision. Evision is the IT recruitment and consulting company. Here I joined online internship program, and I learned many technologies like networking, virtualization, Windows administration, ITIL, troubleshooting, and Linux administration, etc. And after completing my program, I got interview calls from many companies, and I got selected in the client company KPMG with 2.7 LPA package. And my advice to all the freshers and those who want to change their domain, just join Evision because it is the best platform to get the job. And I would like to express my gratitude to all of my teachers and who teach me very well, and especially I am very thankful to Mr. Subhendu sir, Sati ma'am, Anamika ma'am, and Amit sir and the whole Evision team. Thank you.